Hello and welcome to the Sunny Fit YouTube page. I am Britt, your yoga instructor. We are going to be doing a 15-minute yoga sequence to release the neck and the back and a little bit here through between the shoulders. So go ahead, unroll your mat, and let's get started. Hello everybody, my name is Britt. We're gonna get started here. So you're gonna start out at the back of your mat. So you're gonna bring your heels in. We're gonna be in an easy seat. So go ahead and lift up on the fleshy bit so you're down on your sit bones, okay? For this right now, I'm gonna turn at a little bit of an angle just so you can see me, but you'll just be facing the edge of your mat. Hands down on your knees, palms facing down. Roll your shoulder blades back, okay? Squeeze the shoulder blades back and behind, pull the shoulders away from the ears, make a lot of space here through the neck. And we're just gonna start by taking some deep breaths. So in through the nose, back out through the nose, and really feel the belly expand as you inhale and relax as you exhale. Okay, here we go. Take this time to set your intention. So today, if you're working with an intention already, you can bring that in, or you can just say, I am bringing ease to the muscles in my neck and shoulders. You can say, I am completely relaxed. Whatever resonates with you, where you're gonna get that nice sense of relaxation through the neck and shoulders. From here, you're gonna stay seated. You're gonna have those feet in close to the body. If you need to make more room through the hips, you can bring them out a little bit. And if sitting like this feels uncomfortable, you can always bring a block underneath you here, okay? We're gonna inhale, arms up, lift the chin, look between the fingers here. Exhale, you're going to hinge at the hips, lean forward, hands come down, tuck the chin in. Inhale up. Exhale, hinge forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Release the arms down. We're gonna switch the feet. So whichever one is closest to the body is now going on the outside here. So you just reversed which leg is closest to you. Inhale up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale up. This time we're going to open toward the right leg here, and we're going to send right hand back and behind. Reach for those fingertips, lift up through the chest. Palm is here on our right knee. So our left palm is here. Head is gonna turn back toward those fingertips. Once you feel like you have that stretch, we're going to inhale up. Exhale, return back to that twist. Inhale up. Exhale, return to your twist. One more time, inhale up. Pull those shoulders up. Exhale, pull everything down, twist. Inhale up again. This time we're gonna open and twist to the left. So the fingertips of the left hand are going back and behind. Right hand is going to the left knee. Lift the chest, turn the head. Find that stretch here. Once you feel like you have it, we're going to inhale up. Exhale, twist. Follow that for 2 more rounds of breath. Exhale, let those arms go heavy down to your side here. You're gonna stay seated just like this. I'm going to turn towards you so you can see my head and neck. So for your legs, I just want them to feel comfortable. So whichever way having the feet crossed feels most comfortable. And again, if you need to, sit up on a block. As we're moving through this here, I want each exhale to release more tension. So we're going to inhale, scrunching those shoulders up, pulling up, reaching high. Exhale, cactus the arms, so elbows come down, palms open, bring those elbows back and behind. Inhale up. Exhale, cactus the arms. One more. Now we're gonna send the hands out to the side. I want you to flex those fingertips up so that you can feel tension through the palms. So flex the fingers up, lift the chin, inhale, bring the arms back slightly. Exhale, slow, we're gonna turn the fingertips facing down toward the ground, tuck the chin. Inhale, open. Exhale, fold yourself in here. Follow your pace of breath. Inhale, open one more time. Drop the fingertips down behind you, tuck the chin in. We're gonna take a little breath here, take a little rest. And relax the arms down. You can shake it out, shimmy it out a little bit. Let it out. We're trying to bring that release through here. So we're going to bring the left hand to the right ear, okay? So this ear here is coming down to the shoulder and the chin is lifted here. So we're gonna inhale, lift the chin, open, lifting the chest. Exhale, you're gonna drop the chin down slightly. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Follow your pace of breath here. And remember, this is just a very small movement. It doesn't need to be exaggerated. It's just a small movement to release those muscles through here. Keep those breaths nice and slow. One more round of breath. We're gonna release the hand and very slowly bring the head back up. We're gonna bring the hand to the other ear here, very slowly allowing it to melt down toward the ear. Hand on the knee, so left hand on the left knee. Inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bring it in. Really small movements here. Just finding where you can feel that release. And remember, you're imagining that your exhale is carrying that tension out of your body, pressing it away. Go ahead and release the head here. Shimmy the shoulders, bringing hands back and behind the head. We're going to inhale, lift, open the elbows. Exhale, bring the elbows in toward the body, and we're going to curve down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curve. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curve. And release here. From here, we're gonna move into our tabletop position, okay? So, hands down here on the ground, release the toes. We're going to inhale, let the belly sway, lift the tailbone up, lift the chin. Exhale, tuck the tailbone round through the spine, tuck the chin. Follow your pace of breath, 2 more times. Return to neutral. We're gonna bring right hand behind the head. Inhale, open. Exhale, sit back toward the heel. Inhale, forward. Exhale, sitting back toward the heel, bringing that elbow back. One more round of breath. Release that arm down, reach forward, and bring it back underneath you. Left hand goes behind the head. Elbow up and back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, press back. Move through this here. Really trying to hold that elbow as far back as you can. One more round of breath. Release. Back to neutral. We're gonna shimmy side to side, so drop the shoulder away from the ear. You can take another round. Cat-cow. Noticing what you feel shift. And then from here, we're going to go into our active child's pose. So I have a baby on board here, so I'm gonna take the knees wide. You can do a traditional child's pose. I just need to make a little extra space here for my body. So I'm gonna lower down, reaching forward. When you're doing an active child's pose, I want you to reach the fingertips, creep them up as far as you possibly can, and then bring forehead down. Sitting back toward those heels. Lift your head. You're gonna bring yourself back. And we're going to move into a supine position, so laying all the way back. Send the legs long. Recline yourself back here, okay? We're gonna inhale the arms up, scrunch up. Exhale, we're gonna make a snow angel down. So fingertips are down, right? My fingertips are touching the ground. And we're moving through that mobility down to our sides, exhaling down. Inhale, lift, scrunch up. Exhale slowly as you move down to your sides. For some of us, our mobility might be more limited, and maybe we're up here and we're holding above the ground, okay? Meet your body where it is today. And as you continue practicing yoga, you're gonna find a little more space in your body. That's why it's called a practice. We have to keep coming back to the mat and keep moving the body. From here, we're gonna bring the hands down, pull those shoulder blades down away from the ears. So roll them underneath you a little bit. We're gonna bring the feet in toward the body, so heels are down. So you're gonna drop the knees down to the side. You're gonna bring the right hand to the top of the left leg. Left hand goes out to the side, turn the head to the left. And then you're gonna bend at the elbow, reach back and behind and grab behind the head. and just gently pull the head toward the shoulder. Fill up the lungs. Exhale, let it all go. Continue that for 3 more rounds of breath. Release the head, send the arm out wide. Bring the chin back to center and release the right hand from the legs. We're gonna just gently allow them to sway to the left. Left hand goes to the top of the right knee, head turns. You're trying to get that right ear down to the mat. And then we're gonna bend at the right elbow, reaching back and behind. So we're going behind that ear and pulling the head very gently to the right. If you're not feeling it a whole lot, you wanna make sure you're pulling that left shoulder down and away as you put pressure on those legs. Fill up the lungs, fully inhale. Exhale, let it all go. One more round of breath here. Release the head, release the arms here. Bring the feet very gently back to center. You can send the hips side to side. If you would like to, you can bring hands to the knees and just gently rolling out the low back. We gave a lot of love to the neck and shoulders today, a little bit between those the upper back between the shoulder blades, so just rocking side to side. Send the legs out long. You're gonna bring heels together, roll the shoulder blades underneath, palms up, tuck the chin. So this is where I'm going to leave you today. I encourage you to stay here for a few moments of stillness, really honing in on your breath, letting that belly fill up and release down. If you're on the mat at the end of the day, you're bringing in that sleepy, restful energy. If you are at the start of your day, bring in some affirmations to get you energized. And remember, we're releasing that tension. Bring back in that intention from the start. Thank you for meeting me here. I will see you all in the next one. And don't forget to check out the Sunny Fit app. It is free, so just go ahead and take a look at that and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page so that you can get notifications of all of our future videos. Enjoy your time relaxing.
Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the Sunny Fit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the Sunny Fit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the Sunny Fit app, click the link in the description below and we'll see you there.